الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello my dear brothers and sisters. About leather. If a part of a dead animal is here, if that part belongs to some animal other than dog and pig, and that part is a soulless part like a nail or claw or hair, that part is clean. Doesn't matter if that animal has jumbling blood or not. Doesn't matter if that animal was killed, was dead, or was killed in accordance with Islamic rules. That part is pure because it's soulless. But in the case that part is like a part of some animal's body, there's some circumstances. If that animal was killed in accordance with Islamic rules, for example, it was a cow, it was a sheep, and it was killed in a right way, in a correct way, that part isn't impure. And with the same logic, if there's a leather of a cow, if that cow has been killed in accordance with Islamic rules, that leather is pure. But if the cow was dead or was killed randomly, that leather deemed impure. And if there is a leather and we're not sure if that leather belongs to a animal with jumbling blood like a cow, or an animal with non-jumbling blood like a snake, and we're not sure what kind of leather is this leather deemed pure. And if there's something that we are not sure if it is real leather or, for example, it's plastic, that deemed pure too. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.